Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Tron Easy with another action figure review. Today we have Marvel Legends Hulkbuster Wave Blizzard. This guy, I don't know a whole lot about. I do know he's a bad guy, um, and he has ice powers. The design of him is pretty cool. He's mostly just this metallic-ish blue and white. White for his chest, blue for his limbs, white gloves, white boots. Face sculpt looks very menacing. Definitely would not take this guy to be a hero or good guy. Head looks up. Oops. Comes off. It's a ball peg, so he can look up and down very well. Hinge shoulders, bicep, double jointed elbow, wrist hinge, decent diaphragm, plus waist twist, legs hinged, thigh twist, double jointed knee, twist at the boot, ankle rockers. Um, yeah, this guy is a decent action figure. If you're going to build your Hulkbuster, you kind of need him. And his decos, he's painted pretty well, so he looks cool on any display. So hope you guys enjoyed my impression. I'm Tron Easy. Like, subscribe, share. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you later. Peace.